the what element. All right. Now let's start. Now I said if an element is completely filled up, that element has no charge. That means the charge is 0. So some elements, when we draw the structure and the electrons, the shell seems to be completely filled up, you already know that automatically that element has a charge of what? 0. Are we together? So let's start with hydrogen. I said this is hydrogen. Hydrogen and helium can only be contained in K shell. The K shell can only take maximum of what? 2 electrons. This can take a maximum of what? 2 electrons. Now all subsequent shells that we'll be drawing now will be taking 8 electrons, 8 electrons, 8 electrons, 8 electrons. Are we together? All subsequent shells will be drawing will take a maximum of 8 electrons. The first inner shell will be taking can only take a maximum of what? 2 electrons. So now let's flip for hydrogen. Hydrogen has 1 proton. That means it will have what? 1 electron. Now that means hydrogen has a valence electron of what? Of 1, right? Okay, it has a valence electron of 1. That's correct. Now we already said that if it has 1 to 3 electrons in the atom shell, it takes positive what? X, where X is number of valence electrons. So this will be what? Positive 1. For helium, let's do for helium. Helium is atomic number 2, proton number 2. That means that's 2 protons, and therefore it will have what? 2 electrons. Now one would say it should be positive 2 with this rule, right? But what did we say? We said this inner shell, this K shell, and it can only take a maximum of 2 electrons. And if we say that if the element is completely filled up, that element has no what? Charge. If the element is completely filled up, that element has no what? Charge. So because helium is completely filled up, it's just going to have a charge of what? 0. Now let's continue. We said subsequent shells will be taking what? 8 electrons. Now let's draw the next shell. This is the next shell. Are you following? Alright. Now this has taken 2. Are we now? So what will the next one take? This is our L shell. Are we together? So the next element here we have is lithium, and lithium is atomic number 3. So if we've done 2, the outermost electron is what? It's going to be 1. Are we together? So it still follows this conversion of positive X. This will be positive 1. Let's draw for beryllium. Beryllium is atomic number 4. Are we? We've done 2, 1. Let's add one more here. So what's the outermost electron? The outermost electron is what? 2. That will be positive 2. Draw for boron. Boron, we have 3 electrons in the outermost shell. Let's add it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's boron. But boron has an outermost electron of what? 3. That means that's a valence electron of 3. That will be positive 3. Now let's do for carbon. Carbon will be what? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means carbon has a valence electron of what? 4. But when